Hello. Welcome to Fable in Force. What about, OnePlus is here and looks cool. It is got for the first time. Love it very much. Do you want to watch its unboxing and review and know about its specification? Let's come on. GB RAM, 256 GB ROM, Snapdragon's 865 5G. Its refresh rate is 120 Hz. It is also same between laptop and mobile, and also so smoothly. OnePlus 8T looks cool. Weight is 188 grams. It is charging with Type-C to Type-C using laptop and charger as possible. OnePlus 8T is absolutely great. If you want to buy it, sick links in the description. You want to know more about it and prepare. I hope you enjoy here video about OnePlus 8T specifications. Well, thank you and see next time.